Okay, I want to do a little review on these smaller type uh, power washers. Um, it's surprising. I kind of like it. What's nice about it is no matter what, you're not going to tear your wood up or remove your top layer of your deck or anything like that. So it's kind of safe, to use on your porch. I cleaned my deck with it. Prepare to take a little more time than you normally would with a gas-powered power washer, 3,500 psi. This is nothing. Don't expect this to do that. You'll be disappointed. It takes a lot more time. It's a lot more gentle, but it will get the job done. For this porch, it's doing pretty good. It's taking off the loose paint. Yeah, not doing a lot of damage to the wood. So overall, I'd say I like the unit. It's a lot more portable than a gas unit. And I would rather use this than a gas unit. Especially for cleaning decks, if you have a tin roof. Anything like mid-range cleaning. This is good for. Any major work, cleaning entire houses or cleaning stones, I'd probably say stick with the gas. But the portability of this gives a great advantage, especially when you have to clean a deck that's a story or two up. Comes in real handy. I'm pleased with the unit overall. If you're asking it to do the job that it's supposed to do. But you will be disappointed if you expect a 3,500 psi unit, gas powered, flows everything away. This will do that. So, we'll give you a little demonstration, but that's what I have to say about this unit. What's nice is none of it needs the wood. As you can see, it took up the paint. It didn't damage the wood at all. But like I said, it's going to take time. This is not a fast process with this. But, your kids are going to, wipe the wood out by using it. This was taking off paint that was painted over dirty paint. It looks like it's doing a pretty good job. So, that's the review. My review's pretty good on it. So, I would recommend you have one around your house, or if you're cleaning a deck, and you're not in a hurry, of course, but if you're cleaning steps, womanized steps, and it is a lot more affordable than a gas unit. They are very hard to get around, but if you have a big job, of course you can get a gas unit. For little stuff, this works perfect. Alright, thank you.